students, in this video session, you are going to learn grammar topics, especially in that direct to indirect speech. So, in these two sentences already completed by our teacher. One is statement, the first type. The second one is interrogative. These two types of sentence already taught by our teacher. I thought you are very familiar with that. In this section, you are going to learn about imperative sentence. It is very easy and interesting sentence. Imperative sentence. Actually, these sentences are used in that suppose one person is giving advice to others, or suppose we need some help for others, or the suggestion which is needed by someone, or especially in army people, soldier, in that they are commanding something, that captain is commanding something, understood, or the teacher advising to the students or instructing to the students. In this way, in these situations, we are facing a sentence. Such a sentences comes under imperative sentence. What is that? Imperative sentence. In this imperative sentence, reporting verb, that you know, one part is called reporting, another part is called reported. There are the two parts are there in the direct speech. One is reporting, another one is reporting. But writing examples you come to understand. So let's see here. There is example I write here. Mr. Rakesh said to this driver, this part is called reporting part. Reporting part. This is one kind. And this what actually is reported. What actually the reported. This part is called reported part. These are the two parts in direct speech. Actually, direct speech generally contains comma and the statement or something which is said by one no, that's reported, or that is presented in double quotation mark. Actually, that is presented in double quotation. It's quoted sentence specifically. This is called direct speech. Now to change direct into indirect speech. One person is saying directly to others, that is direct. Same person is saying directly. Oh, indirect speech means we are not just we are assuming, we are telling he is saying like this. That is called indirect. It is called indirectly. Understood? Indirect speech. So let's see in this example. That is in imperative sentence, reporting verb. Actually, the reporting verb. What are the reporting verb we are using in such a type of sentence? Reporting verb. It is advising. Advising. This is past tense. Advising. Then suggested. Suggested. This advice. Teacher to student, or father to daughter, father to son, or mother to daughter, mother to son, and doctor to patient is advice, suggestion, the friends, both the friends suggestion, and instructor. This is teacher to the students, instructor, and requester. The requester. You are asking something, you want help from others. That you are asking politely, no? What is the word we are using, no? Let's see, this requester and ordered, higher authority to lower authority. For example, principal to student, is ordered. Our correspondence are to teacher, ordered. So that's what higher authority to lower authority. They are ordering something. Understood? Collector in his office, assistant of that particular office, collector office, it is ordered. So that comes under, it is using ordered. And commanded. This is used in captain to soldier, commanded in army. Commanded etc. So these are the reporting verb is used in this imperative sentence. Reporting verb is what are they? Advised, suggested, instructed, requested, ordered, and commanded, and so on. Some other also is used in this. So next thing you want to know what is the conjunction is used. It is a word is used to connect reporting and reported sentence. That's already I told you there are the two sentences in direct. One is reporting, another one is reported. This is reporting and reported. So this is connected by one word, one thing that is called conjunction. So in imperative sentence, what is the conjunction word is used? No, to is conjunction. What is the word? What is the conjunction is used for the imperative type of sentence? To. What is to is conjunction. This you should keep in your mind. The conjunction word to. So reporting word and the conjunction word. Other changes and other changes. What are the changes if you want to do that? Everything. Already you have studied, no, that in that statement and interrogative, the same thing you are using here also. So we go for the example. Up to this, you are understood, no? Good. The first one, example 1. Mr. Rakesh said to his driver, what is this? Is reporting. Mr. Rakesh said to his driver, drop me at my office and pick me up at 3 p.m. What is drop me at my office and pick me up at 3 p.m. Here only thing you want to understand, said to. Said to. Whatever it may be. In the reporting work, said or said to. Both. Maybe said or said to. Maybe said or said to. You can use this verb. Here, according to actual situation, here Rakesh to his driver. About this, instead of said to, Rakesh ordered to his driver. No? So said to change to order. That's all. Mr. Rakesh ordered, said to, is entirely ordered his driver. That's all. This over, reporting speech is over. We don't use any comma and quotation marks. That we should remove comma and quotations. What we have to go next is, we use conjunction word. What is the conjunction we must use? To is conjunction. To, this word we should not be changed. Actually, imperative sentence, no subject. No subject. It is directly start with where you can easy way to identify. That's without the subject, the sentence which starts verb. Such a sentence is called imperative. That's commanding. Understood? That's called imperative sentence. Here no subject. Subject is hidden here. You want to assume there is a subject, but the subject is not given directly. So it is starting with the verb. So here this verb should not be changed. This thing should be kept in your mind. In reporter speech, the first verb not to be changed. What is the first verb not to be changed? So that they should be right as it is. To drop. Other changes are not can be. These things should be kept in your mind. You start with the verb, not subject. That verb never changes. Here you are committing mistake in your mind. This verb should not be changes. Should write given in the present, not be in the past. Or some other form. It's present only in the present. The present form of verb should be used. So this is you should use drop as it is drop. That's all. To drop me. Me who is me here the first person. Rakesh no. So instead of me what should write? Him. Me changes to him. Me is Rakesh. So that means that my office. Here my, this is changed into, again this indicates Rakesh. So my office is changes into his office, his office, his office. We have to continue. And pick, and pick. This is actually the second sentence. This verb should be changed. And picked mean is to be changed into present form of change into past tense. Picked. Again, me. Me is me here. Rakesh again picked him up and speaking. That's all. Only thing should be this reporting verb that changes. You should keep concentrating in this area. Then here command double quotation removing. We use conjunction word. Here two is conjunction. Other thing and all as it is common changes. So to drop this should be in the present form. Present. Don't change. Understood? This is answer for the first one. We go for the second one. Father said to his son. This is father to son. Father to son. Advice, no? Father to the son, it should be the advice. Yeah. Don't be worried. I'm sure you will do well in the exam. The father giving advice to his son. That's all. Don't be worried. There are the two sentences given in this reported side. Let's see how to change this. Okay, we have to change father said to. This no, this change into father advice his son. You should keep in your mind. To should not be used. Said to is changed into advice. That's all. Father advising his son. Don't use comma. By removing this comma double quotation, we use conjunction word. Actually, this word is connecting, reporting, and reported. That's all. To here don't. This is very confusion. This. Suppose don't is given. This it starts with the don't. This don't change into not to. This should be kept in mind. Actually, do not should not come. To is conjunction. That's all. Don't is changed into not to. But before to, we should put not. That's all. Not to. Don't change into not to. That's all. To, it is conjunction. Not is given the first word. Do should not write. Entire don't is changed into not to. Yes, not to. Again, that's the be worried. Not to be worried. And further, there is another one. And this is continuing. You should use and conjunction here. And again, that is in the second subject. And the verb is given. Is I am sure you. It's a present father. Right? I indicates father subject. Up here is changed into father he. Am. This present form of verb am. We are using advice, it is past tense here. Past tense because said to is given. So advice in that reporting feature as past tense. So this verb also should be used in past tense. So further we should use, but this past tense verb for am was. He was. Other thing we are saying he was sure. You. Here is said no you. He was sure. You, him. He was sure. Again, you it changes into sir, no he. That's all. He. Here will. Past tense of will is would. That's all. Would be. Would do well. Nothing. Would do well. Will do changes into would do. That's all. Will. The past tense of will is would do. Now you it changes into he. He. These things you should be keep in your mind. Last time is the exam. In the exam, you write as it is. There is no changes in this in the exam. That's a father advising his son not to be. Don't changes into not to be worried. And again, and further, he was. I changes into he. Am. The past tense of am is was. Again, these are the sure. Again, you. You is the son. It is object of the reporting. So you should use he. Will do, it is would do. Well in the exam. This is about the second question answer. This will be answer for third one. Yeah. What is the sentence given? What is the question is given? The old man said to the student. This is indirect. Please help me cross the street. So it is comma and double quotation is given. So this part of sentence is called reporting speech and this part of sentence is called reporter speech. So here the old man said to the student, please help me cross the street. So here the old man to the student, please, when you see the reported speech, please, this should be, what should be? Yeah, requested. The old man asking help to the student. That's what requested. Here, what is the reporting verb we should use? Requested. So the old man said to changes into requested the student. Yeah, the student. After completion of reporting, what should you use? Conjunction. What is conjunction for this? To. What is the conjunction for? To is used. To. So should remove is here. Then we start with the verb help. So to help, as it is the present form of verb we should use. Base, that is first form. Me, help me. Me is the present, the old man. No. So this should be changes into him. That's me changes into him. Other thing as it is cross the street. Cross the street. Full stop. That's all. The old man requested the student. Here we should use the conjunction verb to help him. Help we should write as it is. Me changes into, because of the old man we should use him cross the street. This is the answer for the first one. We go for the fourth one. Fourth question is given. The teacher said to the student. The teacher said to the students, don't write on both sides of the paper. Don't write on both sides of the paper. The teacher said to the students. Here teacher to the student. Teachers to the student. Don't write. This must be instructor. Instruction is given to the student by the time of examination. No? So here the instructor here said to changes into instructor. The students, yeah, here again, don't is given. How to change? Don't, not to, is not to, and this present form verb as it is, not to write on. This is both sides of the paper. Both sides of the paper. Very easy. Your understanding these imperative sentences very simple. Only thing here reporting verb, then should write a conjunction word. So other changes are as it is. That's all. So not to write. So write as it is, right, on both sides of the paper. Good. It's correct now. Are you following? So we move next one. The principal said to us. This is principal to us. Even when I am teaching in the classroom, including me, the teacher, as well as the students. Especially suppose if the teacher is not present in the class, the principal directly ordered to the student. No, that's what it is. The principal as, so here set to changes into principal ordered us. Principal ordered us, set to order. Yeah, this is switch off. Remove comma and double quotation. We use to conjunction. To switch off. That's all. To switch off the fans. When you should write as it is when. Here you is as no receiver. As so this U changes into V when U changes into, because as the principal not added only one in the classroom. Principals are added commonly. Principals are added commonly to the whole class. That's why we, you here, this plural form, no, this we should write. We leave present form. This should be changed because the second word. The first word in the sentence, which this should not be changed. This present form, the first form of verb we use as it is. Here the second word, the same example, the same sentence, the second verb is used. So these verbs should be changed. You should keep in your mind. The second verb of the same sentence should be changed. So here, leave. What is the past tense of leave? Yeah, let pass. This should be keep in your mind. You should not write as it is leave. Thus changes into past form, that is left. Leave, left. This is answer. What is the principal ordered us to switch off the fans when we went to the class. These are the 5 easy examples I taught you in this class. I can give you some other examples by the time of practice sessions. No, by the time of that, I give you some other examples you should practice in your home, or you can get some other examples. You have textbook, you have grammar book. Just to go and check if that exercise is given. In that exercise, you should answer. You select the imperatives and that's you answer those questions. You can get very familiar. You can get thorough. There is no confusion at all. Very simple, direct and indirect imperative sentence. Okay, students. So far we have discussed the imperative sentence. This is imperative sentence means no subject. The verb is directly started. What is the reporting speech? Reporting verb is used. No, yeah, ordered, requested, suggested, commanded, and advised, requested. These are the reporting verb is used in this sentence. What is the conjunction word? Yeah, to is conjunction. To should be used. So far we have discussed 5 examples. If you practice the 5 examples, you can get an easy idea to solve. Understood? Okay, students. Thank you.